Good morning, good morning. Morning. Welcome to the Asian session. Alright, so we're just gonna do a quick breakdown. Give me 1 second. Alright. Alright, we're gonna start off by looking at is there any news? No news till 7 a.m. and most of the time I'm not there till 7 a.m. so it's alright. So we're just gonna look at what's given to us right over here. Okay, so go to the monthly time frame on GJ. We're still rejecting this area, but as you can see, we are rejecting something in here. Yeah, it could be this level of resistance in order to continue up. On the weekly time frame, we're coming. We're at this rejection level right over here. This previous weekly resistance. This is the current weekly resistance. Alright, so previous weekly resistance, current weekly resistance. So then we got the weekly support, which we'll find, which is actually a daily support right over here in this region. Alright, so 650 is a good point. Let's go to the daily time frame. So this is our previous daily high. And this is our previous daily low. Alright. Alright. Previous daily high. Now since we've broken the previous weekly high, it's gonna be interesting. Will it continue or not? So now honestly, with this kind of bullish momentum, I'd expect it to continue, but we have to wait and see what price has in store for us. I'm gonna remove this, or actually let's just increase it right over here. 69700 level. Alright, this 400 level is a level of rejection. This should be the monthly high, previous monthly high. Monthly high, there you go, monthly high. Previous monthly high. So we could come to do a small retest at yeah, so a retest is actually necessary. To make a nice low weight, right? So that'd be around 180, I guess. Alright, we have, okay, this looks really good. Right here. Alright, so you'll see the resistance at 350. All the way down to 330. Alright, let's draw now there. So yes, so since we've already broken the resistance, previous weekly highs of course are there. We're stuck in a very tiny range for now. 270, could reduce this to 260. For 10 Chavez above 155.340. For the day at least. And there you go. There you go.
Yo.
Yo, morning.
So the place where you placed all this text is right in front of the trade taken, trade call.
Yeah, thank you. I was just clicked on it. Let's see. Mm. Sorry. Alright, moving on to GA. 1 second. Alright. GA had a very weak bearish candle, but it created a support right here. So going back to the monthly time frame, we still have this resistance at 42,300. The weekly we've broken the low, but this could be making a support. Daily time frame, I'm just gonna mark the daily high. Alright, we got a support right in there, and it's a key psychological level, so that's awesome. Okay, 840 is the daily resistance. 850 could be it. Supports readjusted. $820. Alright. Resistance readjusted to 180. Coming down to the 1 hour time frame. There you go. Alright, to be safer, 190, I would say. Going down to the half an hour. Yeah, on the 1 hour, 180. key psychological area. Yesterday I attempted to break out many times but didn't happen, so yeah. So today we're gonna see if we can get the breakout.
You can make the resistance 200, no?
Which one?
The resistance.
So 190 on the 1 hour time frame, because you see this resistance is right here, right? Alright, and these candles are rejecting it here. And when you look at the 30 minute, why I left it at 190 is this zone covers from 0.200 to 0.180, right? So we wanted to close above the zone, but if we do get a close above this zone, it's gonna be above 200 anyway. It's just that this is more accurate over here where the resistance is concerned. Yeah, and also for aesthetic pleasure. You see over here, like these lines wouldn't touch if it's at 0.200. So yeah, so let's see, potential buys above 1.41, 190. If you wanna be real safe, yeah, that's the point. 230. Yeah. Sorry, say buys. You see that level? Because that's why you have that scene traffic coming in. There you go. Okay, so gold. Gold is actually at a very important place. Gold I don't like to trade with zones anyway, so right now it's rejecting 1910, that I can tell you confidently. We're looking at this place for a long time, 1910. If we do continue rejecting, we're gonna come all the way down to, what is it, 1907, 1905, this area. Let's just say 17 flat. and we're at 19 right now, so that may be 2000 pips away. What? 1600 pips away. So coming to the weekly time frame, you can see 1860 is a very key level. Yep, 1860 right over here, very key. Rejected many times in the past, so you gotta watch that. Unless daily candles start closing below this level, yeah, we're not heading down. We got 1850 over here. Again, another important level. Even 1815. Anyway, so we have this rejected level at 1910. We have a rejection level at 1900. Oh, that's a very important rejection level, of course. What level is this? 1870. So, did you see how we just found so many psychological levels for gold on different time frames? Just looking on price action. Rejections, rejections, rejections. So 1870 we came up to last night. Now we're slowly going to start going in depth, trying to see which ones are important. Here 1845 is what we came to. I called this out last night. 1845 in the New York session. Flat. Yeah, if it breaks below this level, we have one clean candle going down. Yeah, but we do have 1860 flat right in that region. Going down the time frames, trying to find a nice entry. Right here, this will be my entry if we do break above. Or close above 68, 1868. Yeah. Mm. 800. 800 looks good. Okay, we'll leave it at 800. Okay, so 30-minute time frame. Sells below this level. 65, 500. Yeah, we need to see it enter this range again. So actually we can move to close below 1886. Or 600. Okay, so the 30 minute is going up right now. Now we're going to find out what happens. If it closes above this level, we're going to aim for this wick fill. Maybe an impulsive entry, but actually no, like I said, Asian session gives us smaller stop losses and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna wait for price to close above in order to take it up. That would be breaking the 1 hour high to continue up, so yeah. I may take a small position as it starts breaking the top. Okay, now I'm just gonna calculate how big my stops are gonna be. I'm probably just gonna carry 10 pip stops because I want to see price continue from here up. Let's see, 5 minutes. Okay, entered. This I've taken a small position. What is happening? I don't understand these numbers. Okay, 5. Alright. Oh, okay, so I want this 5 minute to continue breaking the top for it to continue, and I'll add another half position right there. As you see, this 5 minute is closed very strong bullish. Beautiful. Should be easily continuing. So now we are right over here, so we should continue right up, especially on the 30-minute time frame and stuff like that. We've broken the tops. Yep. So I want to see a 50-minute candle close above this region in order to see some upward momentum. Anyway, GBP USD, GJ, gold, anchor text. Moving on to GA. Where are we on the monthly on GA? Still rejecting 380. 380. Yeah. On the weekly time frame, we haven't broken the high or the low. Daily time frame, we created a resistance yesterday. So if this starts closing below week rejecting this area, then I'm gonna close my trade out. Okay, many levels for GA. Previous weekly low. 1 second. Previous daily low, previous daily high, previous weekly high. Okay, 15-minute closed above this resistance, yet we're still watching it. We want the 30-minute to continue above this resistance, so yeah. Okay, so we want to figure out what this resistance is all about. For let's our resistance at 100. Yep, we can in fact make it a little higher to this zone right here at 120. Yesterday we got stuck in a terrible range on GA. Not doing that again.
But G like really messy night today.
Which one?
GA.
Yeah. What are you looking for on GA?
That's it. I don't think I'm looking for anything on GA. No.
Yeah. GA has slight chances. Was this yesterday? Okay, yesterday it dropped from this level. Yeah, it could sell off. The question is from where though? So we have a 900 level. No range here. Yeah, that's range. $600. Alright. I would say all we have is potential buys. $1.83080 in order to push up to the screen traffic area. Otherwise we don't have anything really. Yeah. So yeah, we'd want to be careful, of course. Alright, so price is playing around my entry. 30 minutes still looks good, closing above those. GBP USD looks good. Gold looks good. GBP AUD looks okay. Euro New Zealand, we are right at the top again. Euro New Zealand monthly high. The monthly candle were extremely bullish. We've created support. Weekly we still haven't created a top wick. That's previous weekly. The last week we closed above all the resistance, so this week we've created a low wick. Honestly, we should just exit this atmosphere. Oh, too good. Okay, honestly, this is looking better and better the more I look at it. Okay. That's very low. The previous daily low is right here. Previous daily low, previous daily high. Yep, that looks good. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, 890 go down to the 1 hour. Okay, so where would we start looking at taking buys? All the way down here at 760. Come into the half an hour time frame. 800. So you see how Euro New Zealand has gotten so messy?
Yep.
It's very hard to look for a trade on Euro New Zealand. Above 800 should be good. Let's see. 69,600. Yeah. $550. Mm, 550 looks like a good enough level to continue down. I don't know. There you go. Wow, 300 pip move. So yeah, now we just gotta wait. Just wait and watch.
Yeah, what else there? I don't see anything.
Yeah. To be honest, there is nothing.
I'm saying like on any of the charts, it's not forming. That's that
Yeah.
situation.
No, there's no clean traffic, nothing over here.
Yeah.
Anything you take should be like based off like the retest of a low to continue breaking the high or whatever. AUD. Just switch this off. GJ. Yeah. I think it's gonna be one of those days where we have no trade.
Yep.
Yeah.
You still holding gold? No,
Nah,
you're
nah.
out.
Close that. I'm not willing to go below 10 pip. Stop loss on gold. Wait, it didn't close me out. That is weird. Right, so let me put up my trader's view. I mean, trader's way. I'm closing it at 5 pips minus. So you see this?
Yeah.
So this is the FDMO. It hasn't closed me out just yet. But yeah, I'm closing this trade. Cut it small. Yeah, let's adjust this to the screen size. Yeah, never mind.
There's some volatility in GJ
Yeah.
and GU.
Yep.
It's not enough.
Pardon?
It's not enough, but it's there. Something's happening.
If it closes above this region, we have good buy, Joe.
Yeah, man. Even sells. It's clean.
Below this,
Are you talking about GJ?
GJ, maybe 1 hour closing below this.
Yeah.
But
200.
closing, yeah, below 200. I've marked 180, so it's not like a retest, so we close into this range to continue down.
You're still showing your trader's way.
Oh, 1 second. There you go. So yes, I've marked here 180 because of these. So if we close below 180, we'd be back in this range, right?
Yep.
So yeah, then I take it down to the range. And if we close above, we take it up to the top. So I love these moments on GJ. We're gonna wait till we get all close on either side, okay?
Yeah.
GU also looks good on the 1 hour. 30-minute also looks good. We'd have to close above that level. Dun, 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 dun. So I lost 0.5% because I opened half a position and it went to -10. Today. Euro New Zealand, yeah, nothing to look at on your Euro New Zealand, honestly. So like yesterday also,
Yeah.
looking at trade on GA. Okay, where do we look for? Bottom here is buys, right? We took it after it broke 750. went through all that torture. Okay, so we had to analyze why did that happen and what happened. So now going back in time, we got to notice that many of these levels are higher than we thought. We were taken at 750, yet the rejections are all a little bit higher above 750 in order to reach these candles. So let's just say 770. Keep looking back, go back perhaps on the 1 hour time frame. You see all these rejections, 770 here. Alright. And so when you do like look at a level like level 770, we start like looking in detail. Once it closed above, yeah, we would have taken a trade, but what you'd want to do is take a trade once you cross this resistance, right? So again we readjust, go back to the 30-minute time frame. You see massive rejection to the bottom, no trade. This trade close above the resistance at what level? You see finally at what level we're taking it. So you gotta look at this. 1 second. You see this fake out, resistance, support, fake out, resistance, support. You see what I'm showing you?
Yeah.
Right over here, 830, support, resistance. So once we broke this resistance at 830, that was our trade. So here stops below this level, 10.5 pips, in order to clear this range at 19.4 pips. Possibly would have targeted 20 pips. What did price action do? Exactly what we wanted it to do. So you get what I mean?
Yeah.
All we had to do is wait for a clean break above that 830 level. That's all we had to wait for. So yeah. After it moved pretty well. It was a 1.5 hour move. So even if you didn't like this area of candle wicks, you could have waited for this candle to close above. Once it closed above, nine pip stop, and 15 pip TP. You see that?
Yeah.
Both occasions it worked out, no matter where you entered it. So that's how you keep backtesting, you keep fixing the problems. Now when I look at my gold trade from this morning, 867,500, what happened? We began to reject it. So I couldn't have changed my trade, but what I could have done was closed it out once it broke the low at 7.5 or 5 pips basically. You see that? So it's all about learning and assessing your moment. Because you see, like, I take, maybe I'm like 50 or 40% profitable, but it's very small L's with really big wins. Like the W's are massive. Okay, so GBP JPY is looking up. We are breaking the previous weekly high right now. Previous daily high not yet. Just wanna keep that marked. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna leave on GJ. Okay, GJ is pushing up. Interesting. Yeah, as soon as 15 minutes, but it has to close above.
Oh, come on, I don't think it is.
I don't know. Let's see, just looking for entries. 4 hour begins to break the high, we could try. 30-minute close. We'll wait for this 30-minute close. So the second half of this 30-minute, you could get a good push. So if this candle comes down, we could probably enter one small position over here, but it has to make a low wick. This could disappear from us. Oh man, 10 pips would be below this range also. Let's see, let it make a low wick first. Because right now with the way it is, it can close below this resistance, this 15-minute. It could continue also. So we gotta be real careful right now. We just gotta wait it out. 30 minutes gonna close strong bullish. Let it make a low wick. Once it starts breaking the high, we're gonna try and get in. Probably look at a really nice position. 10 pips should be pretty easy. Pardon?
We're not asking for much. Just 10.
Absolutely not. Right here, 490 could be one of the target levels. I still think we should go right up to the top. So we have a 30 pip range. We're just asking for 10 pips in that 30 pip range. So I sincerely suggest we wait for this candle to close. 15 minute. Let this 15 minute make a low wick. Next 15 minute go and close the outside. Take it right up to the top. Get ready to blow right through.
Samurai sword on my back. Don't know how to act.
15 pips.
Hey,
So yeah,
should relax.
from wherever we take the trade, 15 pips.
Should relapse. Just kidding. Stop, 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 stop.
What is this weird song?
Stop, stop, stop.
Gold, GU, GBP, AUD, Euro, New Zealand. Euro, New Zealand is coming down, but there's nothing clean about it. We're just gonna wait on GJ. Could we just get a small lower wick to give us confidence? The thing is, like, if it starts breaking this high, I really want to get in. Let's see, not that high. That high. Because that's 4-hour highs. Like, it's breaking its own highs, right? Yeah. Yeah, that would be 3-hour highs also. 3-hour highs, would it be? It'd be 2-hour highs also. It's 1-hour highs also. So yeah, I really want to get in if it starts breaking that. But I want to see a lower 15-minute candle wick form. I'm looking to take. Oh, sorry, George Jacqueline. Where are you from? Just me. I'm from India. George Jacqueline, you're looking for the right things. Fantastic. Yeah, pound yen. I'm looking at pound yen too. I'm waiting for it to close above the 340 region, which should be good buys, honestly. Yeah, pound yen is looking real good, guys. I would suggest we wait for this candle to close. If we're looking at the right of it, to the 30 minute, we have this entire region. So this is what we'd call clean traffic, right? We have real good clean traffic. So this should be clean traffic. Right, so once we close above this region, we should be good to go. 50 minutes still has made a lower way. I'm not digging it. If the 50 minute doesn't make a lower wick, then I probably, yeah, really don't dig it. George Jacqueline, where you from, man? and just me also. What up guys, welcome to DC Trading and Company's live Forex trading stream. Why don't you all show me what you all are looking at? Just me is what I'm looking for, but I'm from the UK. Hey, that's awesome. George, you should definitely join us. I trade with Luke and everyone. Luke trades London in the London session, so yeah. Today I'm actually looking to cap on a real good move on London, because if you look at it, London for the last 2 days have been moving really well. So wait, let's just look at this. This is yesterday London session. This is entire London session yesterday. Previous day was, yeah, GBP JPY. Yeah, this is the London session. So we're just looking at ranges, right? So it moved 33 pips in the London session, and the day before that London moved 40 pips. So yeah, I'm looking at pound yen returning to its former glory in the London session. Gone are the days where we used to take like 50 pip moves on pound yen in the London session. Welcome guys, welcome to my stream. Don't forget to like. If you like what you see, that is, no pressure. If you like what you see, definitely go ahead and give us a like. Come on man, give us something nice, TJ. So yeah, it's 15-minute closing this way. In 5 minutes. Ugly. Very ugly. What about just me? Just me, where you from, mate? Emmanuel, welcome to the stream, mate. This is just my thought process and my view on the Forex market. I'm looking at price closing above 340 in order to take some buys up. Other than that, I'm looking for some sells below 180, because this is my reasoning behind the sells. We got this clean traffic first, right? We got this resistance, so if we do close below 180, we have entered this range, right? So let's just see, this is a range, right? And so this is the resistance we made. So if we do close below 180, we're re-entering this range, right, to here. So if we close below this region, I'm looking to take sells down. Firstly, to mirror this clean traffic, right? To mirror the clean traffic and to make use of this range, closing below this resistance. So that's my reasons behind the sells I'm looking for. If you all have any other ideas, please do send it in. Gold 67,500. Yeah. Gold, I want some proper market structure to form. I think gold, if it closes below 1863 flat, I'd look for sells. GBP USD also, if you look at it, So going to the 30-minute time frame, we have a small resistance right here, which you can actually relate to this level, 240. A close above 240 will give us good space to run. So yeah, you gotta look to your right well and marks a safe price above that region. But since we do have a 1 hour resistance above here, if we close above this level, we should be pushing, shaking and baking. Yep, Emmanuel, we do stream daily. From now on, we'll have daily Asian streams and daily New York streams, because I just want to grow this community, honestly, because I want to bring like a different understanding to the forex market. Like, you know, of course, like I do trade with the boys from London session and New York session. As you know, I trade with Luke, trades London, and the gang. So yeah, if you can join us, give us your input. I love good input, because I mean, you guys got some fantastic ideas, honestly. And plus, you know, with these streams, I'll probably give you some ideas you didn't see, and you'd probably give me some ideas I didn't see. So it's a win-win for both of us, right? George also, welcome, man. So yeah, we're just waiting, patient. It's fantastic. I'll tell you what, why don't you tell me what pairs you all trade? George, just me, and Emmanuel. What pairs do you trade? For me, it's GJ, GU, gold, GA, and Euro New Zealand, EN. Euro New Zealand is dirty, pointless to trade right now. Okay, that's really nice. Gold, USD, and GJ. Oh, okay, both of y'all are trading pretty much the same thing. That's nice, that's nice. Yep, gold and pound yen are the only ones that really properly move. So yeah, at least at the moment. So yesterday in the New York session, if you wanna go check out my stream, I called this out right from here. So I called these cells out for literally like 200 pips. Oh wait, that's the Asian session cells. I call the cells from here. I guess you guys would have caught these cells. So what I did was I went back in time, right, marked it, went to the 5-minute time frame. I looked at, is this my 5-minute support? So yeah, this is pretty much my 5-minute support, and I love working with psychological levels, right? So this was my 5-minute support. So when I did come to the real time chart, I was waiting for price to break this low, cause right over here, this is a 15-minute low which rejected this point before. So what was the expectation? Firstly, this point was brought down to 153 flat. So once price broke this is where I expected my trade, right? So would have had stops below this, maybe above this high. It was only 7 pip stops, 7.5 pip stops. in order to go right down to my next level over here, you see this clean traffic to come down to 145, sorry, 1845. And guess what price did? Price came right down to 1845. Yep. It's like all you have to do is watch for the point to point trading sessions, right? Like trading levels. 77 pips. Easy in the bank. And yeah, of course, it rejected right off that level and went. But that just shows you how much your levels and everything matter. So right now, if we reject this level and break below these lows, we should have this clean traffic to come down right here, right? So again, we're going to mark these levels and look at how our levels play out. That's awesome. Guys, if you like what you see, please do subscribe and definitely join us every day, because it's just fun and banter. We love to banter over here. And yeah, it's just analysis overall. We like to compare analysis. I have my mate Gypsy over here. That's
Hello.
just his gamer tag. and yeah, we are here every day. So yeah, risk management is always number one. So yeah, 30-minute created a very small lower wick. The 1 hour also will close. So the 1 hour closes above this level, it would be real good. Is anyone looking to take impulse entries? I want to hear this. Are any of you all looking to take? How can I send my chart? So George, the way you send your chart is you have to click on the camera icon on the top right corner. Can you see this? Beside publish, right? And just copy the last part. So this part of it. Can you see it? So you just copy this last part after the /x. Yeah, so from the /x, copy that. So you can't send the link because I think YouTube will block it. So that way I can open it like this. Anyone looking to take it as it breaks the top? I don't know, I just don't feel safe here with this kind of tiny wick. How many minutes gone? Okay, I'm gonna give it one shot because we know how it can move at the second half of the hour. So I'm gonna give it one shot as we start breaking the highs with only half my position, because I don't like the way the lower wick looks. Actually, yeah, I'm just gonna give it a nice shot as soon as we begin to break the highs. But right now it doesn't look like there's much volume. Alright, using, yeah, that's good, George. So yep, I'm in on GJ as we broke the highs. $55 is my entry. My stops are gonna be so far there's just 5 pip stops, so no problem. I want to see it break this candle wick. That's basically like a 2-hour and 3-hour candle. So I want to break that candle wick and continue up. Yeah, this looks good. Using low time frames for my entry. lower time frame. Yeah, that's really good, George. Using lower time frames are literally a must for good entries in order to have smaller stop losses. So yeah, that's really good. Honestly, since we're exiting this range, I wanted to break this candle wick. If it doesn't break this candle wick, then that's where things can get a little sketch. Yeah, I just wanted to continue now. Where is it? I want to get 10 pips. Alright, we're moving on up. Let's break the previous 2 hourly high and continue. Okay, we're breaking the previous highs also. This trade's looking real good as time goes by. Oh man. Yeah. Okay, let's break the previous highs and continue. See, this is definitely a reaction point, but once we do break that, we should be on our way. Guys, if you want to send me your charts, go for it. Like I said, click the camera icon on the right. You will get this link that comes up. Move to the end of the link, copy it from the /x. Okay, copy it from the /x and put it in the chat. Like, let me show you. Now if you all copy and paste that in front of tradingview.com, you all will be able to see the chart that I'm on. Alright, so guys, now we gotta watch how we can manage risk. Alright, we always want to manage risk properly. In 3 minutes this 15-minute candle is gonna close. This should be good to go, so keep your stops where it is. It's just 5 pips, no problem. It's looking real good, so I think we should be fine to rock and roll. Yo, Gypsy, does the TradingView link, can the TradingView link be seen on YouTube, like from your end? Oh yeah, it can be seen. So yeah, actually if you'll just copy the link and send it on in the comments, I think we should be good to go. Okay, let's see a 15-minute close outside this region in 2 minutes. If this 15-minute closes back in this range, then I'm gonna close 50%. Welcome Rafs on YouTube. Welcome to the stream. So guys, get ready. If it closes back in the range, you don't want to be holding it, right? So if it closes above the range, we're good to go, no problem. We've created the support, which should be fine, and it's just 5 pips stop loss, so no point stressing about it. Risk to reward is basically 1:2, so as long as it closes above this range, we're good to stay in this trade. Alright, if it closes below this range, you do not want to be in it, right? You want market structure, so the next candle will probably come a little further down, make a low wick, and then continue breaking the top. Where are you based? Yo, I'm based in India, yo. Okay, we're in profits right now. The last 1 minute usually pushes pretty decently, but we want it to close with the top wick. We don't want the candle to close without the top wick. Okay, yeah, I wanted to close above this level and with the top wick. That's the only way I'm gonna get confidence to leave it the way it is. I'm in New Zealand. Oh, that's awesome. Welcome. Ooh, interesting. I'm just trying out the alerts, yo. No clue how they work, but yeah. Okay, how do I stop it now? Australia, Emmanuel. Hey, that's awesome, Emmanuel. You're great to have so many different people over here. Which is your favorite? Which are the sessions you all trade? Why don't you all put it down in the comments? What are the sessions you all trade? Come on, GJ, let's go on. Let's fly, GJ. We've broken this top, so pointless. Let's fly, GJ. What are the sessions you all trade? And Rafs, I already asked the guys before you just came on what's your favorite pairs to trade. GJ. Oh, NU, ASX, and SPX. Oh wow, that's really nice to see you. That's actually really unique. That is very unique. That is awesome though. Alright, we are moving up in the profits on GJ. Oh, we were moving up in the profits. So now we're just gonna watch and wait. This honestly looks too good, so I'm gonna be in it. If this 15-minute closes below this resistance at 340, then I'ma get out. Until then, it's good to go. Gold being gold. George and Emmanuel and all, are you all holding any positions? No mate, not yet. Okay, Emmanuel, you're waiting for the 30-minute to close outside? At least that's what I'm guessing. I'm in with 1%. Is fantastic. Waiting for the 4-hour to close. Fair enough. Because yeah, the 4-hour will have to create a low wick. George also is in with 1%. Yeah, 1%, and plus it's just 5 pips stop, so even if I am to lose this trade, I'm losing only 0.5%, so that's a loss I'm willing to take, you know. That's a loss I can take. 1L. It'd be nice to see this 30-minute close outside. Yeah, let's see the 4-hour. 4-hour closes in 9 minutes. Interesting. I see what Emmanuel means when he says that. That's fantastic input. So I'm gonna get out of this 15-minute closes this way, because then this could just be a fake out, right? If it closes this way back in the range, it would be a fake out. So I'd get out with even lesser risk. So we're coming down. If we begin to break the lows, then we could expect the next 4-hour actually to continue. Yeah, the next 4-hour turn bearish, and if we do close below 300, right, that would be below the 4-hour resistance, so you could consider that a fake out too. Alright, this is where I'm closing my trade. I'm not comfortable with this. Yep, right now it can shoot up another like 100 pips. I'm completely fine with it. It's a 5 pip stop, no problem. I closed at 4 pips loss, so that's something I'm willing to take. Like I've mentioned over here, make sure you take trades based on your setups and your comfortability level. If y'all are still holding it, this is good for y'all. I may look at re-entry depending on how the next candle, reacts. Let me put that up there on trades taken. Yeah, George, even I was looking at the 30-minute. Guys, just not comfortable with the way that's closing right now, because what happens is, right, this is our resistance, we broke up. The next candle is supposed to respect the low and break the high. You get what I mean? In order to create the, you know, higher high and higher low. So this candle hasn't broken the high yet, and it's come down to the low, so it's a little sketchy. When it starts breaking the high, possible entries, but yeah. Let's see. This, depending on this 30-minute, I'll get in or get out. Currently in GJ on the 15-minute break. Okay, but Raf's okay, wait 1 second. 50 minutes. Okay, yeah, I get what you mean. Yeah, that 15-minute break gave us a lot of confidence. Right over here. Yep, even that's the same trade we all took, I think. So yeah, let's just see how it reacts. Okay, yeah. Wouldn't mind giving it a second attempt, but this time I'm not calling this one out. This is based on my own personal risk. But yeah, that's only if I start seeing what I want to see in this region. If the 30-minute closes this way, it'll be so nice. If you look at a line chart trade, it's still okay. I'm still in. Alright. You're on the line chart. That's interesting. Let's see what a line chart is. Oh, I see, I see. So it'll come back to retest this level and then continue. Wow. That is very interesting. I've never literally never seen anyone trade with a line chart, yo. That's really cool. Anyway, I will 1 second. Candlestick. I want this 30-minute to close outside to re-enter. Only if it closes outside, we'll have enough range for a 4-hour wick to continue up. A lower 4-hour wick. This should be considered a fake out if we close below this level, so yeah. But again, the next 15-minute can pop right back up and yeah, continue. This 3 minutes will define what happens on GJ. Gypsy, are you in? Guys, if any of y'all are here, if you like what you see, don't
Still
forget to, you know, like the stream and subscribe. Let's see this. Yay! Alright, Rafs is on YouTube. I'll repeat that alert for George. And just me. Was it Emmanuel? Emmanuel and George Okay, George, are you still holding? Oh, Rolita does.
She's away.
No, it's playing all the old one. Okay, George is still in. That's lit, that's lit. 30-minute looks freaking good, guys. Uh, 1.5 minute. I'm just gonna wait for this 1.5 minute and then decide, because what's gonna happen over here is, of course, the 30-minute is gonna close outside, but yeah, we need to see that 30-minute. Yeah, let's close above 1 minute. Okay, let's close above. Ooh, that's looking real good. Okay. Okay, this is looking so good, honestly. Let's see. Let's see what price decides to do now, since we're close and above. Let me just check my entries. Oh, gold just tanked, yeah. Are y'all looking for anything on gold, guys? Okay, 30-minute closed out. I entered half my position. Once it starts breaking the top, I'll enter the second position. 4.5 pip stop, so no problem. If this just goes straight to my stop loss, then I'm just calling it a day at that point. But as of now, we've just closed above this resistance and price is looking good to go. We're looking Gucci. I use bar chart. Looks good on the 1 hour. I use bar chart. Alright, so guys, for you guys, tomorrow why don't you join me on Discord itself? So like, I have a Discord server where you can join me. We can just talk, and yeah, rather than you being in the so-called gulag. But also look at the line chart when managing risk around key levels. Okay, this still looks good to me. Awesome. Well, I just learned something new, man. Thank you. So this is my final trade. I'm not taking one after this. So the 4 hour is going to make a low wick. So yeah, let's see how low the 4 hour is willing to go. GBP USD, GBP AUD. AUD also closed bullish above this level, above this resistance at least. Okay, that's a 30-minute resistance, 1 hour resistance. GBP JPY 1 hour. Ooh, that 1 hour looks fire, man. That 1 hour looks really good. How much would it be? Well, it would just be 10 pip stops to have it lower than that, which look really good. That'd be interesting. It's literally just 10 pip stops. That's a very tiny range from post New York Stock Exchange open. Come on, GJ, give us a good one for the morning. New Zealand and Australia. Okay, wait. I think two of you guys are from New Zealand and Australia, right? Emmanuel's from Australia, Rafs is from New Zealand. Yo, George, it's really late for you, man. What you doing up so late? George is from London, UK, right? Yeah, since I'm in half a position and yeah, so since I'm in with half my position and this is my last trade of the day, I'm gonna have my stops at 10 pips right over here, just in case, you know, the 4-hour wants to stretch its legs. I mean, it's nice to have you guys with me. My stop was 10 pips below the 1 hour. I thought your 5 pip was too small for me and I can't sleep. Alright, I get you. Rafs, I trade GJGU, gold, GA, pound Australian, and Euro New Zealand. George, I'm a very like conservative trader, so I trade really tight stops. But yeah, 10 pip stops look good. You inspired me to stretch my legs a little bit. Let's see if this continues to break the top. Should get out. Prani, are you in on anything, Gypsy?
No, dude, just waiting.
Alright, that sounds good. The 1 hour just looks so good. The way it's broken above, but yeah, we'd have to wait and see how this would form. GA might move in 25 minutes due to the news release. Yep, I looked at that too, but I'd really want to wait for GA to do something above, you know, this level, because until then you're playing with like a 9 pip range, right? The top. Anything above this level and we got like a 20 pip range. That's great. Do you guys watch any other live streams? Because like I said, I trade with the boys from London. That's Luke Trades London. Previously I used to trade with Monty, but yeah, now I trade with Luke Trades London. Alright, let's fly, come on GJ, let's fly. Yeah, I really think it should continue. I've been looking at the SPX 500 also, but I don't know. I just haven't backtested it enough to know how it moves. Man, this Asian session is dying out, yo. Come on, Asian, let's push. Wow, gold being gold. The one I went and broke all the tops. I'm pretty sure a lot of people got in and faked them out. Just look at that. What a liquidity grab. Grab liquidity and dumped. Still going for it. Interesting. Let's see how we can manage risk on this trade. Anything else you guys are looking at on any other currency pairs? What are the other currency pairs you all are looking at? Or potential trade entries, maybe on gold. Any of y'all have any trade entries on gold? If I had my stop where I previously had it, I would have been stopped on by now. But yeah, let's see. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Is there anybody else new on the stream today? I've met George, Emmanuel, and Ralphs. What level would be rejected? 350. Okay, so just adapting to the markets now. According to the 15 minute, we are rejecting 350. Right, that's what it's looking like, and it makes complete sense. Before previously, the Wix did reject 350, but on 30 minute we've broken 340. So we just need to see how it plays out on the multiple time frame analysis. So the next 50-minute candle, if it closes above 350, it should continue. Or if the next 50-minute candle just breaks the top, it should continue. Emmanuel or George, are you still holding this? If the next 15-minute candle breaks this low, I think I'm gonna get out. Yeah, if the next 15-minute candle breaks the low, I'm gonna get out. dun, 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 dun. Yep, that looks good, George. Until TPS stop loss, yeah. Yeah. I know the stage is not making me feel safe here. It looks like it's rejecting 350, so yeah. George, do you trade any other sessions? Yeah, with HFX, if you know him. HFX. HFX. No, I'm not too sure, bro. Any other names? I mean, what's the full form of HFX? Okay, come on, let's start pumping this DJ. Yeah, London. Does he stream it on YouTube or what? Just zoom at the moment. Okay, okay. I'm guessing he's on Instagram though. High frequency Forex. I'm guessing this is not him. I don't know. Or maybe it's him. Yeah, 25k. Is that him? I know. Yeah, I'm gonna close it out if it breaks that low. Yeah, I don't want it to break those lows and continue so. That would be a total of 7 pip loss on GJ if it hits my stop loss. This 6 pips. What?
I'll head out. Everyone's waking up. Yeah.
Sort.
I'll see you later.
See you.
Right.
Bye. The top one when you typed it. Okay. HFX Trading Group. Oh, nice. That's real nice, man. Alright, lads. Put down in the comments what positions you're holding, what trades you're looking at. Yeah, I'm closing my trade out. It could probably go your way. I lost 6 pips on half my position, so totally that's 3 pips on my full position, so that's 7 pips. So for me it was a losing day, minus 7 pips. And so yeah, perhaps tomorrow when we come back we're gonna kick the market for what it is. If y'all aren't already, please do like the stream and subscribe. Yeah, George, even I'm looking at London Open. let me know how it goes. Let me know how your trades at London go. You can shoot me an Instagram DM, or yeah, it's right below my picture, my Instagram handle. So you can shoot me a DM and you can link up. So yeah, I hope you guys liked today's stream. Please do like and please do subscribe as we slowly grow the community. That's the only way the others will get to know about the community. So yeah. So yeah, George and Emmanuel and the rest of y'all, I'm gonna head out. It was a minus 7 pip day for me, but yeah, I hope it was better for you. And yeah, take it easy, don't overtrade, don't over risk. And minus 9 pips for us. Okay, no problem guys. Tomorrow we're gonna hit it back. This very rarely occurs, but yeah, it is what it is, you know. Sometimes it goes the opposite way. It's all right. There's always 200 different other tries you're gonna get in the market, so no problem. And you guys are traders, come on, so I barely have to even mention this or say this. So see you guys, take care and be safe, lads.